Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Pictory AI, one of the most popular AI video creation tools right now. If you are a YouTuber, a marketer, business owner, educator, or social media creator who wants to make professional looking videos without spending hours editing, this video is for you. I'll break down what Pictory AI does, how it works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually the best AI video tool available today. Pictory AI is a cloud-based AI video creation and editing platform that's designed to help anyone create and engaging videos, even if you have zero video editing experience. Instead of using complex timelines like traditional editors, Pictory works around text-based editing. You provide text, a script, a blog post, a URL, images, or even a long video, and Pictory's AI automatically turns that content into a polished video. This makes it especially appealing to content creators, to marketers, coaches and educators, bloggers, small businesses, and social media managers. The core idea behind Pictory is simple: to turn existing content into videos quickly, automatically, and affordably. Now let us talk about the main features of Pictory AI. Text to video creation. You can paste in a script to an article in the box, and Pictory automatically turns it into a full video with visuals, captions, and music. This is perfect for explainer videos, for YouTube faceless content, and educational videos as well. URL to video. You can paste a blog post link, and Pictory converts that written content into a video format. This is extremely useful for bloggers and SEO creators who want to repurpose articles into video content. AI video editor. You can upload your existing video and Pictory generates a text transcript. And from the transcript, you can then remove filler words, you can cut sections, you can add captions, you can highlight key moments even. All by editing text instead of video clips. And then there's video summarization. If you have a long content like webinars, podcasts, or interviews, Pictory can automatically extract highlights and turn them into short form clips. This feature is great for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. There's image to video feature and also presentation to video. With this, you can turn image collections or PowerPoint slides into dynamic videos with transitions, captions, and voiceovers. This works well for training videos, pitch decks, and educational content. AI voiceovers and auto captions. Pictory includes AI-generated voices and automatic subtitles. Captions help improve accessibility and engagement, especially on social media where many people watch videos without sound. Let us talk about the pricing. There's a starter plan, the professional plan, the teams plan, and an enterprise plan. The starter plan costs $25 per month when billed annually. The professional costs $35 per month when billed annually. The teams plan costs $119 per month when billed annually. And the enterprise plan is a custom plan. Now for the starter, professional, and teams plan, you can get a free trial to test the platform before fully committing to it. And when you pay annually, you save 40% of the pricing. What are the pros and cons of using Pictory? First, the pros. It is very beginner friendly. No traditional video editing skills are required, and text-based editing saves a massive amount of time, which is what Pictory AI does. It's excellent for repurposing blogs, scripts, and long videos. And the automatic captions and voiceovers are great for faceless content creators. How about the cons? The AI voiceovers can sometimes sound robotic, and the visual selections aren't always perfect. It may need tweaking. If you want full creative control, being an advanced editor, then Pictory AI might not be for you. So having considered all this, is Pictory AI the best AI video tool? For most creators, the answer is yes, or at least very close to yes, because Pictory excels at what it's designed to do, which is to turn text and long-form content into engaging videos quickly and easily. If your goal is speed, simplicity, and automation, especially for marketing, for YouTube, educational, or even social media content, Pictory is an excellent choice. However, if you are a professional video editor who needs pixel level control, complex animations, or cinematic effects, then Pictory isn't trying to replace these tools. And that's it on the review of Pictory AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore InVideo, Vid, and Synthesia. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.